when we apply ultrasound to any food, then and we know that जो भी microorganism है हमारे, they have a small shape, means their structure is really very very small that we cannot see from the eyes. Okay, so once we apply ultrasound, their cell get disrupted, so all the material inside the microorganism get released. So means when the all its food get out from its body, then they can't survive and they get killed and destroyed. So this is how our ultrasound helps for deactivating the microorganism. Now our next property is electrical property. As we know that electrical property means it's related to something conductor from where current can be passed. So basically it's mentioned there that ohmic processing means ohmic heating is a good example of electrical property. So what happened basically means this one is our food. Okay, so we all know that food contain carbs, protein, and water, minerals like calcium 2 plus, magnesium, etc. Okay, sodium. Okay, so and we know that for passing the current we require ions, and this further means H plus and OH minus. Okay, so means our food is basically behave as a conductor. Why conductor? Because it has moisture and minerals, so this make it conductor. But simultaneously it also acts as a resistive in nature. Okay, so when we placed this food in between the cathode and anode, means electrode, these are our electrode, this one is our food particles, and we connect it from power source, then our current is passing through it. Okay, so and our food behaves like means our food has conductive in nature, so current is passing from this food, but simultaneously it also acts as a resistance, so due to this resistance heat is created. So just like our microwaves, heat is generated internally from the inside the food, means now again we are reducing our conductive loss and convective losses which occur in traditional heating. How traditional heating? Means this is our burner, we put some utensil, then first this flame heat our utensil, then after that our food get heated. So this time some conduction losses, then the water inside it, then first water heated and then again after that our food get heated, so there is so many losses. So this type of losses can be minimized through this heating. Okay, and we know Ohm's law. V is directly proportional to I, means voltage applied is directly proportional to current flow, and V is equal to IR. R is our resistance, where R is equal to rho into L by A, means our resistance depend upon the length and the area. And when Ohm's law, when our physical properties are constant, means at constant physical property we can use this Ohm's law. Why? Because once we change our length, then it's obvious that area get be changed and resistance get changed, so V and I get changed. So Ohm's law basically follow when we kept our physical property same. Like nowadays we can get the lunch box which can be heated and we can eat our food as hot. Okay, so lunchbox basically use this electrical property for making, means we just plug on, supply our current, just like that, supply our current, and we are keeping our food here, and some electrodes are inside this box. So once we apply the current, our food get heated and we can eat our food, or we can serve the food as heated. Now our next property is rheological property. What does rheological? Okay, so rheos means to flow. Logy means study. Okay, so means study about the flow. So rheological property is basically it is basically science that deals with the flow of liquid and the formation of the solid. Means until and unless we are not applying any force to our food product, we cannot determine our rheological property. For example, means this one is our flour, okay, wheat flour, and we are adding some water, okay, and now I'm applying some force through this. So we can see that its nature, means first our particle is fluid, but now they are accumulating, means while making dough we apply some force. So this is basically rheology, how it behaves when we apply force. So now it converting it into some, now it's changed its property, viscoelastic property, means when finally we make dough, its property get changed. So our flour, our not dough is prepared, and now it's changed. It's not something viscoelastic, means we can stretch it, we can make it ball and then make it roti. Now another example we can see that once this is paneer, it is also something elastic in viscoelastic in nature. Once we are cutting, means we are applying some force. So now after applying the force, what happened to this? This is what rheology means. We are using this rheological property daily in our life. means our food industry is of kitchen industry. Means kitchen is our smallest unit of food processing industry, like making kneading, dough making, means dough making, cooking food. This is all we apply in our home or apply in kitchen. We have to use it in a larger scale in the food industry. Even for example, when we are watching the advertisement of the Dettol, then they are saying that 99.9% microorganism or germs get killed. Okay. Same thing we also apply in our food industry, like in milk pasteurization and sterilization, that we can't kill whole pathogen. Something important can be left. That's why when we buy milk, even pasteurized milk, we heat it in our container, and after that we kept it in the refrigerator. Why? So that microorganism cannot grow, and we can enhance its shelf life for 2-3 days. But after 2-3 days also, the 0.1% microorganism which get left, it get grows, means it multiply. So we can observe the food processing from every field, and it is a large, means we are applying mechanical field, electrical field, electronics field, all fields in one.